Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. To begin with the Australian dollar, we can see on Friday's price action the market attempted to stage a rally on the back of the US dollar weakness. Unfortunately, the market is actually showing good resistance around that 76 region. In light of the technical implications, I still look for a further weakness into the start of this week towards 75.60 as minor, with the objective holding at 75.0515 and reassess from there. Any advances on the day should find resistance around 76.35 and firmer around 76.70 to 75. The euro dollar, my view for last week was pretty cautious due to the fact that the dailies were oversold, or in US dollar terms, is the market was overbought. With the euro now slowly climbing its way out of an oversold situation, should eventually see the resistance continue to cap around 110.40.60 and look towards 109.35 minus support and lie down towards 108.80 to 108.25.40, which is the objective from last week. In the event we see a break above 110.40.60, then this would give further scope to the upside to 111.20.35 to 112.15.45. But this looks unlikely at this stage. I feel the market will eventually climb its way out of an oversold situation and then reassess and look towards the downside, with the objective still remaining towards that low 108 region. Some concerns now hold to dollar yen view after the fact that we saw a firm rejection from that 105 region. Now precious to uptrend at 104.20. In the next 24 hours, if we see a break at this level, and with the technical implications a little bit negative in terms of the market could actually see a break of this trend and reopen the downside case to 102.70. So let's see how the market holds at this 104.20 level. Has a rejection from there, could actually eventually see the upside challenge towards that high 105 region or even on towards 106. But as I say, a little bit of risk in terms of the market to the downside, as a break of this level, as I mentioned, at 104.20 would expose that 102.70 level. Sterling pretty much going nowhere, still going sideways in a consolidation pattern of 120.60.80 to 123.75.95. Although I am negative towards an objective of 118 figure 50, we should not discount further challenges towards that 123 region. So do keep an eye on that, as this will give an opportunity for the bears to return and then eventually see a move lower and take out that 120.60 level and look towards that 118 region. Well, gold finally found its momentum on Friday after rebounding from that 1260 level to take out the resistance around 1276.282 after printing an 84 high. In light of the current pattern, I feel that the market may have potentially found a cap around the resistance of 1282 to 84 and see a retreat back towards 1260. Now a breaker there would expose further weakness down towards 1240. If we do unexpectedly see a break towards the upside of 1284, then this would give further scope up towards 1290, possibly even towards 1300. But as I say, at this stage, not clearly supportive of a bullish breakout, so I expect to see that this price eventually retreat. And finishing off with oil, we're still holding towards $46 a barrel, with the cap holding around 50.20 and slightly higher towards 50.60. Reassess from $46 a barrel, as we could see short-term coverage coming back in, but nevertheless, I still feel that the downside risk is still holding, especially the way the technical outlook holds. So that brings a wrap to my intraday webinar. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you have a great day ahead.